Hello everyone, welcome to another episode of Southbound Garage. My name is Kurt, and today we had a product sent over by onecarstereo.com, the Smart AI box. Now, one thing I have to say I absolutely dislike about the Ford Explorer is the fact that your Apple Carplay and Android Auto is plug-in. I hate it. Why can't you figure this out, Ford? Dodge can. Now let's take a look at what's inside. What do you get in this little box for the price? Let's jump into it. So we're taking a look at the Smart AI box for any vehicle with a plug-in Apple CarPlay Android Auto. So this device will turn your plug-in Android Auto Apple CarPlay into a wireless system. First, while I watch the box blow away, you open the box up, you take a look at this nifty little device. It kind of reminds me of a radar detector, to be honest. With it out of the box, you can see the device here. It's got a memory card slot and your USB plug-in. So in the box, there's more cables so you can plug it into your own vehicle. Okay, so we've got the device here. We've got the two different USB cables. One is USB-C to USB-C. The other one is USB to USB. Our car is newer, so we're going to use the USB-C to USB-C. And if you want the device sitting up here, you can just run it through this little hole here. It's quite convenient. And then we can go ahead and we can turn the ignition on. Let's actually start the vehicle because it's slightly warm outside, and let's go ahead and set up our device. So you have your options here. You're showing Wi-Fi and Bluetooth enabled on this device. Now that you have your Bluetooth enabled and your internet enabled on your phone, you can go ahead and connect those in their settings here. You go to Wi-Fi, not connected. Search for devices. You can see a couple hotspots, and then you just pick, if you've got your phone, you just pick your phone and then you enter your password. Okay, so now we're connected to our Wi-Fi. We can go ahead and connect our Bluetooth. Let's go do that now. I'm here. Let's go settings. Okay, pair new device. There we go. My device. Okay, so now we're on Bluetooth. That's all set up. Let's go back here. There, home. Oh yeah, there we go. Nope, that's not home, is it? There we go. Okay, let's go to. Okay, so you have to actually click on speed play. So let's go back and try that again. Now you have Android Auto all running. It's actually pretty cool. So I didn't need to download that Easy Connect app. I guess you can probably stream from your phone with that, but this is able, like, no cords. So we're just connected to this little box. We're connected to Android Auto. I have all my maps. I have everything else. Let's see if I can call someone. See if I can call my buddy who's late. Probably won't let me because I'm recording. Call Marcus. Nope. I'll try that again in a few minutes when I have a little bit more time. And then next, I'm going to show you that you can sign into Netflix. So I'm going to go do all that stuff. I'm going to sign into all of my apps for you guys. And then we're going to come back and we're going to try some of these features and see if we can actually play Netflix on this device, which would be super cool because who doesn't want Netflix or YouTube on here? And then you can watch one of my videos, preferably while you're parked, of course, not while driving. That would be silly. I've already set up my Netflix and YouTube, so you can quickly just go to these. Now, one thing I do like about this is that it doesn't give you any of the annoying things you get with Alpine. If you don't have your park brake set up, all that stuff, you can still watch movies, TV shows. Let's just click on one, make sure it plays. There you go. See, so you can watch whatever you feel like watching. You can go back to your home screen, you can click on YouTube, you can watch a YouTube video. Sure, why not? Let's watch the latest video. Now we can check out and see what this thing made. First pull, 516 horsepower. So just to clear up, we're almost 100 horsepower more on E16 than last time. That's crazy. So, wow. So that is the device itself. I can go through more of the features, but realistically, all you're looking for is your basic setup. You want to be able to use your Android Auto, Apple CarPlay, which is pretty simple. It just will connect, and once it's connected, you have, on this one, you have the full screen, whereas the Ford, I don't, and I really wish you did, because that's such a big tablet. It would be so much easier to use. Thank you for watching this episode of Southdown Garage. If you're interested in this product, take a look at my affiliate link in the description below and go get yours today. Turn your vehicle into a wireless Apple CarPlay Android Auto. I hope you're having a wonderful day. If you like this video, hit that like button, consider subscribing, and let us know how we did in the comments. And until next time, everyone, bye for now.